Hi guys, this would be part 10. I got some bad news. The paint has micro blistered. Not all over the car, certainly the bonnet, certainly the top of the rear quarter and the rear boot. I am absolutely gutted and I don't know what direction to take next. Well, there's no correcting that. It's got to go down to pretty much bare metal and it's got to be done again. So what I'm assuming is moisture's come out with the gun, with the paint. The moisture trap hasn't worked. We've had a few frosty days. The moisture's frozen, it's bubbled. And I've got a really bad paint job. To correct it, bare metal. What do I do? I'm gobsmacked. I'm going to drop the compressor and see how much water's in the tank. The moisture trap hasn't worked. So out of curiosity, let's see what water's in the air compressor. Gutted. Well guys, I dropped the compressor, see what moisture's in it. It's still coming out. I dropped it about half an hour ago. It's probably 1.5 litres so far, maybe more. Just full of moisture. The moisture trap didn't work. That was the trap I used. Obviously not good enough. Yeah, I don't know what to say. So this should have trapped any moisture. Should have been able to release the moisture accordingly, but there was none in it. I kept an eye on it, there was none in it. So that did not work. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. Do I just break it? Do I store it till the summer? And then do it again? Another, what, £200? Another week of my life? I don't know what to say. Any advice, guys, let me know. Cheers for watching.